Hello! Welcome to the first of two videos on how to use the Beanstack app for summer reading at the Three Rivers Public Library District in Channahon and Minooka. In this first video, we'll show new users how to create a Beanstack account using the mobile app. For library users that already have a Beanstack account but need some help logging in, skip ahead to the time shown here for instructions on how to recover your account. If you know your login but need a refresher on how to use the app, stay tuned for our second video where we show you how to sign up for a challenge and log books. Let's get started and set up a new account. If you don't already have the free Beanstack app installed, visit your App Store. Search Beanstack, look for this icon, and tap Install. Once it's finished downloading, open the app and tap the Let's Go button at the bottom. To create a new account, select the organization type of school, library, or bookstore at the top. Next, find our library by searching for Three Rivers. And select Three Rivers Public Library from the list. You should see our logo at the top of the login screen. If you already have a Beanstack account, enter your username and password to log in, or tap Forgot Your Password and follow the prompts to recover your account. If you're unsure if you have an existing account, call the library and ask for assistance. You may be asked to provide an email, phone number, or library card to search for your account information. For new users, tap where it says Sign Up at the bottom, and select No on the next screen to continue. From here, enter the required information to create your account. For parents, if you plan to sign up children for the summer challenge, enter your information first. We'll show you how to add an additional reader to your account in a few steps. Start by creating a username. We recommend using your first initial and last name, or a similar combination. Then set a password. Add your first and last name, followed by your email, phone number, and zip code. You may notice that the email and zip code are labeled optional. You can sign up without using an email, but we recommend adding one so you can receive account notifications and make password recovery easier. We also recommend adding your Three Rivers Library card to your account, but this is also optional. Okay, you're almost done creating your new account. For adults or teens who are making this account for their own use and not adding any other children or family members, you can select Fill out my profile to continue. For adults who have children that want to participate in the Summer Reading Challenge, select Add a Reader. Enter the child's first and last name and age. Add a profile picture if you'd like, or you can skip this step. Finish their profile by choosing their grade and school. If signing up in the summer, enter the grade and school they will be going into for the fall. Now your account is all set. You can add additional readers from here as needed, or you can add them later by going into your account settings. Now that your account is set up, stay tuned for our second video where we'll show you how to use the app, including how to sign up for the Summer Reading Challenge and log your reading. If you'd like to see what summer activities are available to sign up for, visit the link in the description below for our summer reading page and events calendar. Thanks for watching.